Hello, class. I hope that you're all well. I'm going to take this time to do a little bit of talking about some of the grading that's going to be coming up. So I began grading the module journals. So I've gotten through week one. I was pretty lenient with my grading on this one. Please go back and look at the module journal rubric, which you can find under the course information. I want you to make sure that you are answering all of the questions that are presented to you in the prompt and that you're making it clear that you're answering that question with the things that you're saying. I was kind of having to draw some conclusions that you were answering some of the questions on some of them, and I don't want to have to guess if that's your answer to that particular portion of the prompt. So be clear. I'm not saying that each sentence you need to take that sentence and then write a little bit under it and then take the next sentence and write a little bit under it. But like this week, one of the first questions is the core issues. Started off, I believe the core issues in mental health are da 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 da, and keep it going. Just make it clear what you're trying to answer. Keep your answers concise. Remember that this is professional writing, though it is a reflection. I want you all to be drawing conclusions across other courses that you've had, bringing other material in. That's what a reflection is about. A reflection is not just a summary. I want you to think about the material. I want you to synthesize, which means I want you to pull materials from other classes. I want you to bring to me something that you've read about that tied in well with that prompt. And this week we're talking about legal and ethical issues with mental health. There's a lot on television right now in the news about mental health and things like that. So perhaps you might be able to draw some of those things in. Let me know that you're thinking about that prompt deeply, not just summarizing what you've read in the book or what you quickly Googled. It's not a summary. So I'm going to be a bit more stringent with my restrictions on those modules and with my grading on the ones that I'm going to be grading coming up. Do also remember that two of them will be graded on a 25-point scale. So, and I'm not going to tell you which ones those are. I'm going to randomly select them. So always turn in your best work. I could go all the way back to module 1 and use that one as my 25-point one, and then use the very last one that you all do. So you'll never know which one it's going to be. So turn your very best work in, which means check your grammar, check your punctuation, have someone else to read it. Ask them, did it make sense? Does it flow well? Are my ideas concise? Are they easy to follow? Did I make my point? It's very easy with a reflection to almost ramble on and on and on, and you never get to the point. And I can always tell kind of what your point is, but don't make me have to guess. Tell me what your point is. Make that conclusion. Get that last final sentence in there for each paragraph. My point of this paragraph was, that should be what your last sentence is in those paragraphs. So I want you guys to really dig deep on those journals. I want good work from those journals. In addition, let's talk a little bit now about the gratitude journals. This week, you will be turning in your entries from week 1 through week 4. I will go through and give you some feedback, and that will probably be the very first thing that I grade next weekend is your gratitude journals, so that you guys can get some feedback from them very quickly. I will do that feedback in the comics section. It seems like some of you all have found that section where when you submit your work, there's an area for you to leave comments, and some of you are leaving me comments and telling me things, and I'm replying back to you if necessary. So that's where you'll find my feedback is in the comments section, and that will be there with the grade. So be looking for that. Again, I'm expecting good work from these journals as well. I really want you guys to dig deep about this. We've been talking about gratitude journals a little bit at our faculty development. I brought it up that you guys are doing them, and everyone's really excited to see them. So I hope that you all are going to give me some good work so I can talk about how great these were from you all. Um, Let me think. The YouTube video for you all to watch this week looks like it's about 45 minutes or so. So you've got a little bit of that to do. There's some reading that you all need to do as well, and the slides are posted. So be on the lookout for some of your grades to start coming up. I'm going to try to be an even faster grader than I've been in these last few weeks. When I was a student, really hated when I turned things in and weeks on end I wasn't seeing a grade. So I don't want to be that professor for you all. So I'm going to try to get some more grading done, especially with this long weekend. Other than that, I don't think that I have anything else to tell you. Again, keep looking out for the mental health events that are happening on campus. I'll send out another list for those this week, and enjoy. And I am really looking forward to seeing your gratitude journals, and I hope that you all are enjoying it and that it's been a good experience so far. So you all have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.